Welcome to Car Care Cast, your go-to podcast for everything related to automotive protection, maintenance, and care. Brought to you by Nasiol, the leader in nanotechnology-based surface protection. We're here to share insights, tips, and innovations that help keep your vehicle looking and performing at its best. Let's get started on the journey to a cleaner, shinier, and more resilient ride. Welcome to Car Care Insights. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at ceramic coatings. They promise incredible protection, but are there downsides to this advanced car care solution? We'll tackle common questions, discuss perceived disadvantages, and explore whether ceramic coatings are truly worth your investment. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. What is ceramic coating? Before we dive into the downsides, let's cover the basics. Ceramic coating, or nano coating, is a liquid polymer applied to a vehicle's exterior. It bonds with the paint on a molecular level, creating a hydrophobic shield that repels dirt, water, and harmful elements. Formulated with compounds like silicon dioxide, or SiO2, and titanium dioxide, or TiO2, this invisible barrier protects against UV rays, chemical stains, minor scratches, environmental contaminants. Plus, it delivers that showroom shine car lovers adore. But as great as it sounds, it's not without challenges. Is ceramic coating worth it? Let's address one of the most frequently asked questions. Is it worth the cost? The pros. Long-term protection. Ceramic coatings shield your car from damage that would otherwise require costly paint repairs. Hydrophobic properties. Water and grime roll right off, making car washes easier and less frequent. Glossy finish. They enhance your vehicle's aesthetic, giving it a premium, polished look. The catch. Ceramic coatings are not invincible. While they provide excellent protection, they don't make your car immune to all damage. Swirl marks, deep scratches, and dents can still occur. The upfront cost of ceramic coatings, especially professional applications, can be a deterrent. The disadvantages of ceramic coating. Now let's dive into the potential downsides. 1. Initial investment. Applying a high-quality ceramic coating isn't cheap. Professional services can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. While DIY kits are available, improper application may reduce effectiveness, costing you more in the long run. 2. Maintenance is still required. Ceramic coatings simplify maintenance but don't eliminate it. Regular washing and occasional reapplication are still necessary to maintain their benefits. Neglecting upkeep can lead to diminished performance. 3. Misleading longevity claims. Some manufacturers make bold claims about coatings lasting 10 to 15 years or even a lifetime. In reality, most coatings provide 3 to 5 years of reliable protection with proper care. 4. Application complexity. For the best results, ceramic coatings require precise application. The surface must be thoroughly cleaned, polished, and prepped before the coating is applied. Any shortcuts can compromise its durability. How long do ceramic coatings last? This brings us to another common question. How long do ceramic coatings actually last? The answer largely depends on the quality of the product and how well it's maintained. With trusted brands like Nasiol, you can expect Nasiol NL272, up to 5 years of protection. Nasiol ZR53, up to 3 years of durability. Keep in mind, these timelines are contingent on regular maintenance, including proper washing techniques and reapplications when needed. Why choose Nasiol ceramic coatings? If you're considering ceramic coating, Nasiol offers industry-leading products that stand out for several reasons. Superior protection. Nasiol coatings shield against UV rays, chemical etching, and other harmful elements. Long-lasting gloss. They deliver a deep, durable shine that outlasts traditional waxes or sealants. Proven longevity. With up to 5 years of protection, Nasiol products are a reliable investment for your car's paintwork. Easy maintenance. Their hydrophobic properties make cleaning effortless, ensuring your vehicle looks its best with minimal effort. Final thoughts. While ceramic coatings do have disadvantages, Like their initial cost and maintenance needs, the benefits often outweigh the drawbacks. They offer long-lasting protection, enhanced aesthetics, and easier upkeep for car enthusiasts who value their vehicle's appearance. When choosing a coating, opt for trusted brands like Nasiol to ensure you get the best results. For more information, visit nasiol.com and explore their range of ceramic coating solutions. Thanks for tuning into Car Insights. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your car looking and performing its best. Until next time, happy detailing.